Vishwara Karpal, I am from South Sundara Manikar, so Polytechnic. We are conducting digital communication system practical number 2. Select circuit for 1-bit error correction using Hamming code.
The resources required for this practical are DC regulated power supply, switch, LED, breadboard and connecting wires.
My name is Yash Survase. I am studying the connection of circuit. P1 is connected to switch 1, D3 is connected to switch 2, pin 3 and 4 are connected to each other, D5 is connected to switch 5 and D7 is connected to switch 5. The 14 number pin, that is VCC, is connected to the pin number 14 and the ground is connected to pin number 7.
I am Sarthak from SY ENTC department. Today I am going to explain the very part of the practical to detect and correct 1-bit error using Hamming code. Now we will see the theory part of the practical. The aim of this practical is to detect and correct 1-bit error using Hamming code. The given code is 1011. So to generate the Hamming code, now to find the point location, find the first parity, we will use the formula 2 raised to 0, which answer will be 1. So parity number 1 will be on the first block. To find the location of parity 2, we will use the formula 2 raised to 1, which answer will be 2. So the parity 2 will be located on block 2. At last we will find the parity number 4. To find parity number 4's location, we will use the formula 2 raised to 2, which answer will be 4. So the parity 4 will be located at block 4. Now we will write the given code in the data bits of the Hamming code. To find parity 1, we will skip the P2 parity 2, then we will take data bit 3, then again we will skip parity 4 and take D5, then we will skip D6 and take D7. To find parity 1, we need to generate an even code for the Hamming code. So first we will take D3, which is 1, D5, which is also 1, and D7, which is 1. Generate parity 2, we will take P2 and D3, we will skip P4 and D5 and take D6 and D7. We'll add values to this. D3 is 1, D6 is 0 and D7 is 1. To make the code even, we will give P2 the value of 0. We will find the code for P4. For P4 we will take the rest of the blocks, which are D5, D6 and D7. The value of D5 is 1, D6 is 0. The value of D7 is also 1. To make it even code, parity 4 will be given the value of 0. At last the Hamming code is generated to transmit to receiver. So an error is generated in the received code. First we will find the error practically. We will repeat the process of Hamming code generation. First for parity 1, D3 is 1, D5 is 1 and D7 is 1. To make it even, we will give parity 1 the value of 1, which is correct according to the transmitted code. So C1 is 0. For parity 2, we will repeat the process. So for parity 2, D3 is 1, D6 is also 1 and D7 is 1. So to make it even, we will give the value of 1 to parity 2. And we will check with the transmitted code if the value is correct. So no, the value is not correct. So P2 is incorrect and C2 will be generated 1. To find parity 4 error, D5 is 1, D6 is 1 and D7 is also 1. And to make it even, we will give the parity 4 value of 1. Now we will check it with the transmitted code value, which is 0. So parity 4 is incorrect and C3 will be generated as 1. Now we will test the errors in digital IC trainer. First we will, so this is P1, this is D3, this is D5 and this is D7. So now we will test the conditions in the kit. First we will the value of P1 is 1, D3 is 1, D5 is also 1 and D7 is 1. So the LED is off, so the condition is satisfied. So now we will test the second parity condition. So P2 is 1, D3 is 1, D6 is 1 and D7 is also 1. So the LED is glowing, hence the value of C2 is incorrect and the condition is satisfied.
From Electronics and Telecommunication Department, second year. I have explained the error bit of a Hamming code.
This
This is the corrections bit of our receiving code. C3 is 1, C2 is 1 and C1 is 0. 110 is binary number and 110 is denoted by C. So the 6 is the error bit of our receiving code.
Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.